Hello, good morning everyone. So I'm the second reporter from the group 3. So my topic is the 14 research finding on goal setting by Loki 2017 under the article Motivation Through Conscious Goal Setting. So here's the difficult and achievement. The more difficult and goal are greater than achievement. Assuming the individual is committed and has the necessary skills. However, persons drops at very high goal level without commitment and ability. So, kung unsa ka lisod ang imong giagian in your life, mas dako og chance ang maabot nga achievement and difficult in achievements. Second, specificity and regulation. The more specific or explicit the goal, the more precisely performance is regulated. High goal, especially in achieve main through quantification. Example, increase sales by 10% or enumeration. Another example, a list of tasks. This reduce variance in performance, provide the individual can control their performance. So, kung unsaon nimo pagbahin-bahin sa imong ginapangbuhat or time management that can control his or her performance, dili man kaayo creative in dili kayo siya creative innovation but certain effective siya. Si sunod specificity, specificity, difficulty, and performance. Goals that are both specific and difficult lead to the highest performance. People do not actually do their best when they try to do their best because as a big goal, big, big goal, it is compatible with many different outcomes include those lower than one best. So, ang goal, if you have a goal in your life, makaagi ka og kalisod and kana mga kalisod mao imong gamiton sa to improve or do your best to achieve and some people dili dili nila ginabuhat ilang best kay tungod dili nila gusto or nagduha-duha or nalibog lang so may many different outcomes. Factors influencing commitment. Higher commitment to goals it attempt when the individual is convinced that the goal is important and another the individual is convinced that the goal is attainable. So, mm, so ang kanang kuan ang kaning the individual is convinced that the goal is important kon siya ug unsa ka important ang goal then sa dili sa the individual is convinced that the goal is attainable ug unsaon nimo siya pag-achieve o saan nimo siya pag-abot. Then, methods that convince importance. There are many ways to convince a person that a goal is important. In most laboratory settings, it is quite sufficient to simplify ask for compliance after providing a feasible rationale for the study. In work situation, the purposive of leader can use legitimate authority to get initial commitment. Continue commitment might require additional incentives such as supportiveness, recognition, and rewards. Goal settings and participation. In goal settings, joints, jointly settings goals where supervisor leads to higher commitment than purely telling people what to do with no explanation. But it doesn't not lead to practically significant higher commitment than providing a convincing rationale for an assigned goal. Sa goal setting makes laborate sa goal setting making collaborate sa paghimo og mga activity or mga buluhaton uban sa supervisor. It leads to higher commitment pero dili siya nag-lead to practically significant higher commitment. Self-set goals. Self-set self-set goals can be highly effective in gaining commitment, although they will not allow be set as with another person would assign. Ang pagbutang og tumong or goals or pagsalig sa kaugalingon kay mahimong effective. Mm. Leadership and commitment. Commitment can be enhanced by aspect effective leadership. Relevant leadership technique includes setting clear vision for the future, communicating completion mission, providing support and resources to help individuals achieve their goals. Feedback and performance. Feedback or progress toward goals is crucial for motivation and performance improvement. Regular and specific feedback helps individuals stay on track and adjust their strategies. So, so and so ang feedback is pagdawat og mga feedback sa individuals or even sa family, friends, or etc. can lead or crucial for motivation and performance improvement. Goal setting and efficacy, efficacy, self-efficacy that believes in one's ability to success plays a significant role in goal setting. Individuals with higher self-efficacy are more likely to set challenges, goals, and persists persists in their efforts. So if you have stuck if you have mm, stra- trusted, okay, if you have trusted yourself, you have the ability to success. And kadtong mga tao nga dagkog pagsalig sa ilang mga kaugalingon mao ang ginahapit ginahagit og challenges sa pagpadayon og paningkamot. Task complexity and motivation. Overly complex tasks can hinder motivation and productivity. Breaking down complex goals into smaller, more manageable steps can increase the likelihood or success. Na mga butang nga komplikado kaayo sabton mga klase sa buluhaton unya kaning mga task kay lisod man unya mawala usahay sa atong kuan mo motibasyon og paglaom. Ang sulbad ani kay tagiya tagiyahon bari bahin-bahino nato para sa manage nato goal setting and learning. Goals focus on learning. Example, I want to improve my writing skills are more effective than performance-oriented goals. Examples is the I want to get an on this paper. Learning goals promote growth mindset and lead a long-term success. So dili ta mag-focus sa iwit nga goal kundi sa process ta mag-focus. Bali, it's not about the goals. It's about the journey. And last, the goal setting and on decision making. Goals setting empowers decision making by providing a clear framework for prioritizing actions and evaluating choice. Goals help individuals focus on what is important and make choices that align with their desired outcomes. So, ang pagplano of goal nato sa kinabuhi makatabang sa atong paghimo og desisyon. For example, makatabang siya kung usahay i-focus, unsay i-prioritize ug unsay dapat kini tanan makatabang para di ka masaag sa dalan padulong sa imong dream. And that's all. That's all. Thank you. And